Now, we can move to SQL section. Imagine you're working for Netflix and you've been given a dataset containing information about users' streaming activity. The dataset includes details such as user ID, session ID, show ID, timestamp of interaction type, e.g., play, pause, stop, skip, device, type, e.g., mobile, desktop, smart TV. Your task is to write a SQL and PySpark program to answer the following questions. 1. Identify the top 5 most watched shows across all users for a given week. 3. Calculate the average session duration, time spent watching for each device type.
Okay, sure. So I'm going through the scenario now, and I can try to understand the schema and the table metadata. And once I understand, I can try to write the SQL PySpark code for this. Okay. So we have a table which is nothing but streaming activity and which has a columns user ID, session ID, timestamp and interaction device time. Okay. So first we need to identify the top 5 most watched shows across all users for a given week. So yeah, I'm going to write the SQL code for this. So for the SQL code, I'm going to write first we can have select. We can get the show ID, comma, count of star, hash, watch count, from the streaming activity. And we need to write the where clause, timestamp between last 1 week, right? So we can take the current date minus for a given week. Okay, so in the given week we need to give the start date and the end date. So start date I'm assuming 2024 0701 2, and the timestamp between start date and end date 2024 0707. So this is how we can get the timestamp, and we need to apply the group by show ID, and we need to also apply the order by watch count, watch time descending order, and we should get the top 5. So I'm using the limit 5. So this is how we can write the SQL. Okay, so that's about the SQL questions. So yeah, I'm rechecking it. So SQL show ID, count star, hatch watch count from streaming, where timestamp of interaction, like timestamp between 2024 and 1 to 7. So this is for 1 week. Then group ID, article show count. Okay. So if this is okay, I'm going to write the PySpark code for that. Okay. So I'm assuming that I'm reading from a file and I'm calling it as a data frame. So I can read something like spark.read.csv. If it is a CSV file, I can give the path of the file, and I can give header equal to true, and info schema also equal to true to get the schema of the file. So
What if anything bad mean?
once I can get the data frame, I can get the top shows, like top shows. So top shows are nothing but df dot filter
The author on everything on
turned off timestamp
me of copy of the well, the usual line in the day need that on the
column of timestamp greater than or equal to
next one.
and then are equal to 2024 0701 and
Oh, didn't look that in that. Indicate
So this should be on outside.
I'm waiting on it.
Then column timestamp
Think to go and other day,
less than 2024-07-07. So this way we can get the filter data, and on top of it we need to apply that group by
the last day in
shared.
now, I know it. And he was
We can get aggregate, and we can hit the count star. This we can call it as alias. Hence watch count, and we can apply the order by watch count. We can count this as descending order. Okay, and we can get the limit of 5. So we are filtering, and we are applying group by, and we are getting the aggregate function, and we are applying the order by, and finally we are getting the limit of 5. So this PySpark and this SQL both are same. Okay. So yeah, that's about the first one. That's about the first question. Next I'm going to write for the second question. So for second question, let two clauses, one is subclause and one is end clause. So first I type the subquery, like select user ID, session O, device type, and can get the max of
how he
right, max of KSN, and with that action in function of I equal to stop.
we pay it. I'm going
Stop. Then look at the timestamp. And from this one, I create the name of KSN, and with that action time equal to 8. So then I get the timestamp, and this will come as a session duration. Session duration. Random activity. Duty. Make up left. Without by. User ID. Session ID. Device type. Device type. So these are subplots. And so this we can put as session data.
directly. It's simple.
So we can hit select on device type. Common average up session duration from the subclass, and average session duration. Like from move looking over the page. That's it. Move it so it's all of it. About the session data, some data, global device type. So here I'm calculating the session duration by using the max of stop timestamp and the minimum of place timestamp, and I'm taking the difference of these two things. Okay. So yeah, this SQL can give you the required answer. So let me write the PySpark code for this. So as usual, I can assume that I can read the data from some file, and I can apply the functions or the transformation to the data frame. So data frame already created reports on we're using the same thing. So df not from applying the group by. Now user ID, session ID, and device type. It's not in the group by, and we need to calculate the aggregator functions. Well, okay. Not aggregate
calling it us using Google Mail. What?
Completed. So that's them. Next, these are amplifier functions. So we can import these functions if we need it. Okay. Import. Well, call. Importation rate. Importation rate equal to stop. Equal to stop. Then we can get the
I'm not enable this, so the enable that's going to show up. That is
just putting in the problem of hamster.
and then really knows and the time got your command and come in please did thing in the it's now 3
Yes, but you know what? It's up then can't interaction rate.
oh we here to do picture the now and in the person they only company
Control PX. Timestamp. Then we can calculate the average duration.
it's a deal and this side
Average session duration. Still yep. This also we can remember as session duration. Session duration thing, session day. Session day. Look. Google me.
and how to the phone be in not space and it said ready to seamless to certainly
Session duration, Google right.
anything
Go by the website.
can choose
And we can get the entry set of first average of session duration.
to
As average session duration. Average session duration. Simply so it can calculate the session and we'll apply them show. Average session duration dot show. So this is the PySpark code that it couldn't do above early. So I'm applying the group by function and I'm calculating the max of timestamp for the and minimum of timestamp and I'm calculating the max duration. Once again, let me invite that. Calculate the max minimum. So to calculate the final minus no. After the minus one was will stop here. Yeah. Should be the minus of this. So yeah, this is the code that works for data frame. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions on this.
I'm not supposed to walk in to feel on
Yeah. Thank you. Right.